Are you feeling unsupported? It's a feeling. It's not your truth. Your truth is you are not connected to the guidance that is always available to us. And this card from the Oracle of the Lake is going to show you exactly why. We are in the looking upwards energy, and it's about understanding how that energy can support you when this card shows up. It typically means that we are disconnected from guidance, whether that be from earth angels, from those people who can support you, a plumber, a friend, a dog, a critter in the yard, right? Um, Earth angels are all around us. We just have to ask for the help. But it might also be that you're disconnected from the heavenly realm of support, which are angels, guides, spirit, past loved ones. And so when this happens and you're feeling unsupported, most people have this sense of being feeling unloved and uncared for and unnurtured, right? But really, what this card is saying is that support is always there for you. You just need to ask for it. And shifting your energy into the sense of knowing this takes it from a feeling, an emotion, into a knowing, which allows you to step into doing, which is back into an alignment energy for your highest good. It's a water card, believe it or not an air card, but it's a water card because it does connect us to our emotions. And um, when it appears, maybe our emotions are getting the better of us and we're reacting to these feelings and not aligning with our deepest knowing and responding. Remember, when water goes, releasing its embrace, the right energy will flow. So ask yourself, where do I feel unsupported? And how do I get that support? And when am I going to ask for it? That's the magical equation. You don't need more effort. You just need that magic equation. You need more alignment. So go ahead, read the descriptions. It will help you in looking upwards for greater support. And the link there will help you too. We'll see you during the next card.